Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and on tonight's video I'm going to attempt a goblet with an oversized stem. So the wood that I'm using is a piece of rippled ash, and at the moment I'm just getting it to round. I'm using the Easy Woods mid-size cutters with the standard rake. Now I say I'm going to do this with an oversized stem, so at the moment this is just over 12 inches in length. The finished piece will be around 11. So there we are now, got it fastened down into the chuck, and I'm working on the cup section of the goblet. Nothing too fancy at the moment, it was just a quick round and then coming in with the Forstner bit. This is a 30mm Forstner bit, and then I come back with a 40mm Forstner bit just to make things a little bit easier. Now I'm just using the mid-size number 1 hollower, taking real steady cuts. Like I said, this length of wood is 12 inches, sorry, at this point in time. So now that's hollowed out, sanded and finished on the inside, I let the finish cure and I start to work on the goblet again. Now what I have done in there is I have the live centre wedged into there with some paper towel. That's actually quite tight in there, so it's not going to slip, it's not going to move. And I'm just now taking some real nice shallow cuts, because what I want to do is I want to get this finished and I will not come back to the cup at all. So I am taking a little bit more time than usual. Like I said, the stem is quite a long piece, but with that tailstock jammed in there, you don't need a steady rest. And I did just mess up a little bit there, and I cut a little bit too deep, so I'm just having to tidy that up, or re-tidy it up. And then starting to work on the stem, removing that material. Like I say, I will not come back up to the goblet shape, to the goblet section. I'm just now 100% focusing on the stem. There we go. Just putting a little bead in there. Nothing too fancy. And just adding a couple of beads and coves. There's the Easy Woods mid-sized detailer. And back to the finisher. Just removing the rest of the material now, slowly working his way to the foot of the goblet. And now just tidying it up with the number 1 hollower. smaller cutter so it can get into those coves a little bit easier. And now defining the bottom of the foot. And now just putting a relief cut in there, just so when I start sanding, it follows all the way around. And there we are. Klingspor Abrasives up to 240. Here's the Hampshire Sheen pre-thinned sanding sealer. I did put 3 coats of sanding sealer on this. I was tempted to put a 4th, but the 3rd one actually sealed everything in. Like I say, it's rippled and it is a little bit punky in places as well, but didn't affect anything. Sealed it in nice. And now onto the Yorkshire Grit. Just working that Yorkshire Grit in there. And lathe speed at 500. Just working it in. As it starts to break down, speeding up to 1200. Till it's all broken down, and it'll give you a finish up to 1000 grit. And then a fresh piece of cloth, all clear. That's what we want to see. So this is coat 1 of 3 of the Hampshire Sheen High Gloss. Absolutely love this stuff. There we go, just buffing it in. Build up the heat, no pressure, and just watch that shine. Absolutely amazing finish. So now we're just chopping it off. There was no way I was just going to part this off, it had gone flying. So, little cut saw, and off she comes. There you go, and then you can see the wad of paper there that helped us hold it into place. So there we are, guys. Hope you like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.